Shenzhen Megir Watch Industry Company Limited was established in 1997. Our company is located in Shenzhen, China. It is a professional watch supplier, integrating design, production, and sales. We have professional watch designers, high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority, attracting customers from all over the world. We export to more than 50 countries around the world and registered the trademark of Megir in more than 40 countries around the world, including Europe, USA, UK, Switzerland, Australia, Brazil, Thailand, Philippines, Malaysia, South Africa, etc. Our company focuses on producing high-quality quartz watches and mechanical watches. All our watches are passed water-resistant testing, which equipped with Swiss or Japanese or Chinese movements, including ETA, Miyota, Seiko movements. We have more than 300 professional employees. The factory is equipped with high-standard, dust-free workshops and sophisticated testing instruments. We supply watches OEM and ODM service for customers, provide one-stop service from design, production to delivery. Millions of watches can be produced every year to ensure timely delivery for customers. We are watch supplier for some world-famous brand watches. Our Megir brand watch supply 1-year warranty. Our operation philosophy is pursuit of perfect quality, creating value for customers. Looking forward to working with you.